Send it! Yep, whole new world for me running dune flags. This thing is looking sick. Graphics are gonna be printed shortly. So if you're just getting this thing buttoned up, oil's in it, getting some fuel in it. I got some premix chilling right here. Yeah, it's about that time, Drew. It's the end of the day. It's getting dark out. So yeah, we're gonna get the seat cover on. Just doing that right now. We're gonna test ride that. You guys aren't gonna see it with graphics today, and you're probably not gonna see this with graphics today, but you got to see us ride it around the shop. We're gonna have the graphics on for tomorrow, and then tomorrow we're taking both of these out riding, out in the sand, out in the trails, and we're super excited to actually ride these. So we're gonna compare them. We're gonna do a full comparison between this bike and that bike, the CR250, so pretty pumped. So he's riding it without a seat.
And no back brakes.
No back brakes. No back brakes, no seat. Send it! Not bad for an old girl, right?
Did you see it drift right there?
Yeah, I did.
That was scary.
Oh man.
Okay, Bill. This thing's fast.
So we got no back brakes. Got no back brakes. You gotta bleed them still, which is fine. And you don't even have a seat on this thing. You did it though.
Hey, can I call you back? Okay, bye.
Good time. She always calls you at the right time, eh?
Oh, I can't wait for her to see that on YouTube.
Throttle's a little sticky. We're gonna fix that.
Dude, this thing is fast. You wanna try it?
No, I'm good. I'll wait till we have a seat. I mean, the seat's done. We can put it on.
All those guys talking about how our seats aren't low enough, there you go.
There you go, guys.
There you go.
Right here. Sit right on the filter. It's fine.
All right, whatever. Okay, let's go, man. All right, you're up, man. Okay. No, honestly, I really like this thing.
Yeah. The old Dooner flag.
Yeah. Oh, moon flag.
It just smells so good in this shop lately, all these two-strokes. Yeah, I knew you were excited to ride it because you're riding without a seat. Oh, man. Yeah, that's awesome. Hell yeah.
I'm glad we built another one.
I know, right?
Yeah, this is cool.
2 today. Not too bad.
Yeah.
It's been a little bit of a process the last couple days, just getting all the parts in for these bikes and getting tires, and now we're waiting on tires. Not waiting on wheels, waiting on tires. Yeah. I love two-strokes, guys. I love bringing back any two-stroke I can. I mean, these bikes were both pretty beat up when we bought them. I mean, we just wanted to make something cool out of them, put them on the internet, and show you guys how fun it is just to fix up an old bike. You're gonna run into leaks, you're gonna run into strip bolts, you're gonna run into issues. It's part of it. It's what makes it fun. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and you guys can check out this CR. I just want you guys to see it before we put the graphics on it. There it is, guys. 2001 CR250. So you might recall one of the videos when we purchased this bike. We found it on Marketplace. Actually paid around $3,500 for the thing, and you know, it is what it is. They're going up in value. I mean, can't really get them anymore. They don't make them anymore, and I wanted that engine. Now, this one originally was gonna go into a CR250 chassis, and I was gonna do a bolt-in kit. We haven't gotten to it, and I was like, screw it, let's do a big wheel. This bike's just been sitting around the shop, so yeah, we got the gold on gold, the billet front hub, rotor adapter. We're running all CR brakes on here. Had a couple comments. Guys were asking why we chose the tires we chose, and honestly, guys, we're just having fun trying different tires out. So you don't know until you try them, and we're just we're experimenting. So this is gonna we're gonna leave this white. We're gonna put white back here. We're gonna wrap these red, wrap the back fender red, and we've got some old school looking 250R style graphics that go on there. And this was supposed to pretty much just be an old school theme, and that's what we're going for with this one. Made a dune flag mount right here. Didn't have time to powder coat it. Still gotta bleed the brakes. Yeah, it's mostly done. You guys can see we got a space here and here to kick the can over for the tire. It's close. It's probably gonna rub a little bit, but for right now, we've got this bike just about where we want it, just so we can get this thing out, get it ridden, do some testing. The jack shaft in here, front chain, the adjusters, got all that set, brand new chain. So I mean, yeah, we definitely threw some money into this 01, but you really can't beat these bikes. They're just a freaking blaster ride. Yep, looks good, man. Looks good. Yeah, I'm excited.
Welcome back.
Oh, say it again?
Welcome back.
I don't think they got enough of it.
Do we have enough?
Oh, what do you got here?
I got beer and tequila and vodka.
Oh my God.
It's
Some chippy,
Saturday night.
some chippies. Dude, the party came back. It's so quiet when he leaves.
That's really peaceful, man. Holy shit. We got a bike.
We got a bike.
Start it?
Yeah, he rode it. Drew.
Rode it around with no seat on.
So, I don't know where that seat cover went. I got mad and I threw it. I was like, you know what? Fuck this thing.
I heard something fly and I was like, look in the seat cover.
Dude, this trash. Trash. I won't say who made it. It's trash. Yeah, didn't fit. So I had him pull this old raggedy seat cover off, and guess what? It's back on here again. It's fine for tomorrow. Thing does not fit.
It looks like trash.
I put on thousands of seat covers. That thing does not fit. I'm over it.
A handful of seat covers. It looks like one.
Yeah, so to go along with this theme, we're gonna get a blue seat cover, custom made, that's gonna say Honda on the side. But sadly, we're gonna run that for now, and it is what it is. All right, so I think it's beer time. It's beer time.
Side by sides now.
Yep, gotta go work on the
Get back to work on the razor.
razor, the Talon. Oh man, cool. Yeah, I'll just let the graphics get printed and get motivated for that later. See what happens. Yeah, so this thing's going out tomorrow. Got the two big wheels going. What else we got? I might bring the 300 dirt bike. Got the Talon, the Toloni Baloney.
We're gonna do a fuel filter, right? Or no, air filter.
Yep, air filter change. Yeah, so I got my pre-filter on here, and you guys can see how well that actually works. Oh man, look, it's still clean underneath that pre-filter. This is the same style we run on our CR conversion kit. So I'm just gonna take that off, clean that, and then pop my cover back on. Other than that, I had a hole in the tire, gotta fix that. Bumpers on here, still looking good. Other than that, should be good to go. Possibly do an oil change. Yeah, a lot of content coming for tomorrow. Bringing the razor inside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's right there.
All right, bring her in, man.
We've been spending all day.
Been a little busy with CR land.
Yeah, YZ land and YZ land.
You got another one of those for me? Cool.
The CR500 beer.
Yep, the old CR500. You guys saw our 500 build. Looks just like this damn can here.
We're still waiting on Michelob to sponsor us.
I mean, if they want to sponsor us, that'd be cool.
Love the Ultras.
Yeah, I mean maybe Subway.
We got specifically the Subway down the street from us. If you watch our videos, you know who you are.
Yes, and we always eat there because
Yes.
the AC is good.
You get free cookies with
You get
extra meat.
extra meat, free
I get a
cookies.
free cookie every time I go because I'm fat.
I still say they're slipping the shot into the cookies. That's why they're pushing them so hard. But I will keep eating the cookies. It's fine. This video will get flagged because I said shot. The last one got flagged. I said, what, 2 words? I'm not going to mention them.
Yeah, because we don't want to get flagged again.
Well, we talked about
Starts with a C or something. These are the only flags we want to see.
the only flags we want to see.
I don't want to see those. Those are done.
If you guys don't follow us on TikTok, I am on there. We just had a video go to like, I think it was like 1.8 million. The CR500.
Push start out the
Yeah.
Let's push starting a CR.
So you guys have been complaining about me not wearing a helmet. I completely understand. It's foolish. I'm extremely hard-headed. I've been doing it since I was a little kid. I should just insert a picture of that. Anyway, yeah, so TikTok's not happy with us. They don't like seeing three-wheelers. They keep blocking my shit. It keeps going out there like viral. And
push starting?
no, dude, they blocked the Alta one and the drag race one. Okay, so first it was the drag race one. I disputed it. They unblocked me, and then I just put one up riding the Alta with a helmet on at private property, and it said it was dangerous acts. Somebody's hitting that button. They don't like it.
Usually it puts a little warning in the bottom, but they just like
No, they banned me. They banned me for a couple days. So I was trying to post some YZ stuff on TikTok because a lot of you guys are now transitioning over to YouTube. They don't like me. So hey, fuck them. It is what it is, guys. I try my best to be on all these platforms. I'm just trying to get our stuff out there.
We gotta hop on the Instagram reels.
Instagram Reels. Maybe I'll go back to Instagram, putting videos on there.
The reels now is based on TikTok. That's all he watches. He doesn't have TikTok. He watches Instagram reels.
He doesn't have TikTok?
No, he watches reels on Instagram. So I mean.
Okay, cool. All right, well, I think we're gonna start working on side-by-sides, and you guys probably don't wanna see that. If you do wanna see that, comment, let me know. I will start doing side-by-side content, but every time I post it, I don't get shit for views, so I'm not gonna waste time posting the, what do we call that thing, the beer hauler?
No, the beer drinker.
Huh?
The beer drinker.
The beer drinker?
Yeah, you just drink beer and drive side by side.
Oh, okay. I thought it was
Don't
a beer.
listen to me. Don't drink and drive.
I thought it was the beer hauler.
It's not drinking and driving, it's sipping and riding.
Sipping and riding, not drinking and driving. You're gonna have all this stuff.
Team drinking is very bad.
Does that need to be a t-shirt? It's not drinking and driving, it's sipping and riding. And I think this guy needs some welcome back shirts. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.